How are we shooting today?
It's a whole new type of shoots. I've never done something like this before. I've always done yoga or pole shoots or something that involves more of a physical activity. Or is this
taller than me? I don't like that now.
I told you I was kind of tall.
Okay, yeah, those shoes gotta go.
So we're gonna start over now?
Much better.
There we go, yeah.
Jess and I, we've shot 4 times?
Yeah, roughly.
5? We've shot a lot.
Yeah, a few times.
But whenever we shoot, we've always shot a certain style with yoga or acro yoga or something related to bendiness. And today we're going to shoot her differently than we've shot in the past, because today we're going to shoot her with clothes on.
Ooh!
The point of today's shoot is to show you how to interact with the model that is not overly experienced shooting a different style. Yeah?
Yeah, I'd say this is my first time shooting this type of style.
I feel like I have a booger.
Later.
And we're back.
We ran out of toilet paper, so I had to use your onesie.
Oh gosh.
So we have not shot in this style before. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put one camera on me, and then one camera on her, and then to the side, let's see if you're looking at this side or that side. To this side, whichever one is.
That makes sense, yeah.
I'll put an image that is straight from the camera. No editing done to it, just so you can see what the image looks like. Unedited, damn it, that's a hard word, English. Non-edited. Unedited?
Unedited. Oh, okay, now it's getting me. Unedited.
That, we're gonna put that on the other side so that we can see what the image looks like straight out of the camera. So the whole point of today is for you to see, 1, the interaction involved, 2, some posing tips. The lighting's gonna be really super simple. Try not to say too many times. Drives me crazy. You too?
I'll punch you every time.
Girl, don't be hitting me. Dang. By the end of this video, hopefully you would have learned a few things or two. Key takeaways is lighting, the simplicity of lighting, the purpose of lighting, angles, posing, interaction, working with somebody that's fairly new to a style that you're trying to develop. And 3, is there a 3rd one? I learn best when I watch, and then I try to, replicate or duplicate or mimic. The goal is for you to kind of pick up on certain things and then implement those things into your next shoot.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah. Any questions?
I'm ready.
Awesome. Ready?
Ready.
Let's go. Chin up a little more. You gotta turn it on. There you go. Good. Chin up a little more. Good. Turn your face more to the right. More. Got that. You're gonna be sore tomorrow.
Yeah, I was already sore from yesterday, but it's okay. Okay.
Alright, so that's A frame. I'm gonna show you the other leg position.
Yeah.
Lean back against the wall. Good. Feet together. With the feet back, touch. Bend one knee. Pinch the knee, like you have to pee really bad. Pinch the knee over a little more. On this foot, rotate the ankle out a tiny bit. There you go. Now pinch the knee. Good. Taller. Up on the right toe. Perfect. This hand, go to the bottom of the shirt. Thumb under. Lift up a tiny bit, showcase the abs. Press your thumb against the skin, lift. Girl, you got some definition. Can you see that? Chin up a little more. There. Turn your face more to your right, all the way, there you go. Good. Chin up a tiny bit more. And then lean. Look down like you're looking at your right shoe. Turn your face more. On there, on the chin forward a little more.
Yeah.
There. Good. Breathe through the mouth. Head against the wall. Good. Now move it to the side. Let me show you. Move it over here. So that way it's gonna go across your body so you can see more definition on the abs. Good. Go to the back. Take that elbow out, like this. Good. Bring the chin back to me a little bit. Chin up, tilt. Let's do the same thing. Let's take your feet wide. Quads tight. Bring that chin to me. There. Turn the face more to your right. Almost like you're trying to smell your armpit. If you need to, put some pictures on your phone. If you don't know what to do, you can say, do that. And then they'll look at it, and then if you don't know what to do after that, then like this, and say, okay, do that. until you learn how to pose people, but use descriptions, use your hands. Turn your belly button this way. Good. Arch. Good. Pop the booty. There you go. Booty. Glutes. Words are important. If you say, yeah, turn your ass to me, kind of creepy. Glutes. If someone's in fitness, glutes. Good. Pop the glutes. There you go. Pop the quads. Up on the toe. Quads look amazing. So when you say that, say it with a stern, good job, as opposed to, oh yeah, turn those glutes to me. Yeah, your legs. Yeah, don't do that. That's kind of creepy. Yeah, not good. Don't be that person. All right, ready? Good. Pop that booty, girl. Come on.